Allí puncha kachun kankunaspaq noqayku ancha kusisqa kayku. Kay llank'asqayku maqasqaykismanta noqa rimapaysayki imaynatas noqayku llank'ayku anchayku.
You understood something?
Sure.
Clear?
Welcome.
One reflection to understand the culture, we have to talk the language. That is the easiest way to understand the religion and other things. You didn't miss anything. She just welcomed us to the house, and she said that she will teach us, how the Incas and Incas make textiles and stuff. Well, pay attention and enjoy the explanation, because she will show how they get natural dyes from plants, like from this rock moss and from the other plants as well. Please, it's very interesting this part. Pay attention.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this water exposition center. My name is Ruth. Now I'm going to explain you about weaving process. First of all, we use alpaca and sheep wool. For example, this is baby alpaca and sheep wool. You can touch. Alpaca is much softer. It is sheep wool. It is dirty and greasy. And to wash the sheep wool, we use natural detergent for safta. The safta is a root. This root we bring from the mountains 2 or 3 hours walking. Also, this root we wash our hair is good. And the most important, doesn't pollute the environment. It is Inca shampoo, natural detergent for safta. Natural soap. Now I will wash this wool that's dirty and greasy because the alpaca of the sheep, silver one, they never take a shower. We have to wash this wool 2 or 3 times, depends how dirty and greasy is the wool. But for now, I will wash only 1 time. Look at the difference before and after. We start to spinning. Also this process we can do walking, dancing, singing, no problem. After that we have to make a yarn like this. For example, this is ready to get the colors just on natural days. For example, this is cauliflower. From this we get the yellow colors. And this is purple corn. Purple corn is good high blood pressure. From this we get different purple colors. This is eucalyptus. From this we get the green colors. And this is quinsacucho. Quinsacucho is a medicine plant. It's good for rheumatism and backache. From this we get different blue colors. This is cacasunca. Cacasunca is the most of the rock. Maybe you will in Ollantaytambo, Machu Picchu. From this we get the orange colors. Just a moment please. In the cactus prickle. This is cochinilla light. Yes, it's a parasite. Now I will sacrifice this. The first colors. To change the color, I will add the lemon juice. I will get the second color.
Whoa.
For example, this is volcanic stone. I have different colors. Pink. Also, this cochinilla children use at the school for paintings in the carnival festivities. We use on our face. Also a cosmetic lipstick. For example, this lipstick rested 24 hours kiss proof. Yes. I had hot water. And if I add the cochineal powder to get the first color. Cochineal powder. take a picture, no problem. The first color. To change the color, I will add the salt in powder from Maras Morai to get the second color. Salt. Orange. No magic. From this cochinilla we get more than 24 different colors like this: orange, red, purple and black colors. To fix the colors this has to boil 30 minutes or 20 minutes, depends the colors. After getting the colors in we have to do the colors combinations and we have to project what we are gonna do, maybe a table runner, blanket, scarf, depends. For example, this is table runners. This table runners is a sheep wool and baby alpaca. Alpaca is much softer, you can touch. Yes. One table runner like this we normally make and 25 to 36 hours a day. And baby alpaca 2 months. And to make thicker and tie this, we use this bone called rookie. I have one question. Do you have any idea where this bone comes from? Yeah. Do you want to know?
Baby alpaca?
No. This is the human bone.
Oh.
Yes. The tourist bone, you didn't buy nothing. I'm just joking. This is the llama bone, the femur of the llama. Yes. Thank you very much for coming here and listen to me. Here we were 8 different families from different communities of Chinchero. Maybe you would like to think we make you can have a look. Thank you and sorry my English is not good.
Okay, well, these stops are to help the locals. Huh? The government don't pay nothing, so they are expecting to sell something to you as souvenirs. Huh? Don't be different. Try to get some balls, some strips. Huh? We're going to take 10 minutes break, and after we will continue to the next. Huh? Well,